Kabila naman, kurat. Kabila, isa. Magduman ko, no? Okay, kabila? Okay, Dora. Ika, first birthday ni Lewis Cyrene. Alright, so i-welcome sa nato si Lewis Cyrene, ha? Okay. Let's sing happy birthday to Lewis Cyrene and then I want to say Lewis Cyrene, okay? So together tayo sing ang happy birthday song. Balong, sige ka balong. Sige ka balong. Sige ka balong. Kamay kayo ka balong. Happy birthday. Okay, so happy birthday, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy Alright, so we're ready to success for blowing the candle of Lewis Cyrene's cake. Okay.
Ang sarap ba? Tubang dito na? Dito na doon. Ikaw tayong sibog na yun, eh? Yes?
So pag-release na
Kapag-release na sa balon. Happy birthday again.
Okay, tatanapos ako happy birthday kay Muglo si Lewis. So, okay, so 1, 2, 3, host na ha. Happy
Blow, blow, blow.
One, two, three, blow!
Blow na pala ka.
Three!